In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Robinhood to your bank account, step by step, using the Robinhood mobile app. To get started, open the Robinhood app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, take a look at your buying power, because this is the amount of money that's available for withdrawal. Keep in mind that if you recently sold stocks or crypto, some funds may be temporarily on hold and won't be withdrawable until they settle. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the app. After that, open the menu by tapping the three lines in the top corner of the screen. From this menu, select Transfers. This is where Robinhood hides all deposit and withdraw options, so this is the section you need to access. On the transfer screen, you'll see your withdrawable cash balance displayed clearly. Before moving forward, make sure you have a bank account linked to your Robinhood account. If you don't see one connected, you'll need to add and verify a bank account first before you can continue. Now, tap on Transfer Money. Choose the option to transfer money from your brokerage account, since this is where your withdrawable cash is held. After selecting that, choose the bank account you want to send the money to. Once your bank is selected, enter the exact amount you want to transfer. You can enter a custom amount, or withdraw the full available balance if you prefer. After entering the amount, tap on Review. On this screen, Robinhood will show you a summary of the transfer, including how much will be deducted from your account, and an estimated transfer time. Most standard transfers can take up to 5 business days to arrive in your bank account, depending on your bank and transfer method. If everything looks correct, tap the Transfer button to submit the withdrawal. You'll then see a confirmation message letting you know that your transfer has been initiated successfully. Once submitted, the withdrawable cash balance in your Robinhood account will update, and the funds will be on their way to your bank. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully transferred money from your Robinhood account to your bank account, and all you need to do is wait for the funds to arrive.